Hey guys, I got a question of how to go live from your YouTube app. So you guys can do that from your phone straight. You don't need a PC for that or a special camera. So just go into the app YouTube, and from YouTube you're gonna see down here below on the middle, you're gonna see that plus sign. Click on it. Right here, the very first option will be to upload a video. Now we're not gonna look at that right now. We're gonna look at live. So just scroll to the right. So down here below, you're gonna see video, then short. You can tap on short, then you can tap on live, which is the next one to the right. Once you tap on that live, you're gonna see your camera. You can flip it whichever way you want, and then you can just go into next, and then just go into live. So down here below, you guys can go on and just change the title. So you're gonna see that pencil type of icon. Just tap on it, and then from here, you guys can go on and change the title. So you can put Tech and Designs Live, or you guys can go on and put visibility. So you want unlisted, public, members only. Let's just do an only members at this point. Again, not everybody's gonna have this option. For most of it, it's just gonna be public. Then we can just go back. You can put anything else down here below and just go into next. You can put if it's made for kids or not, go into next, and we are about to go live. So right now it's stream set for 9:23, which is right now. So right now what we can do is just press on go live. So what we're gonna do is do that for you guys so you guys can see exactly how this is done. And here we go. So we're going live and we are live. So this stream is only for members in this case because I'm making this video. However, if I wanted this to be public, I would have done public where we would see people in here watching this stream. But right now, people and especially members are going to be very confused about the stream that I'm doing right now. But if you guys want to end the stream, just press on the X and that's going to end the stream. So that's on the top right hand side of my screen. Press on end. That's going to end that stream. Later on, we can just go on and delete the stream, or we can just keep it. But that's how you guys can stream from your phone right here. So we're going to press on done. And once we press on done, you guys are going to see that it's uploading. So that stream is uploading, and then that's it. But that's how you guys can stream right here from your phone. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.